I once met a talking cat named Whiskers who claimed to be a retired philosopher. He insisted that every time someone sneezed, a new idea was born in the universe. So I started sneezing on purpose, hoping to spark a revolution. One day, I sneezed in a crowded cafe, and suddenly, everyone began sharing their wildest dreams. A barista wanted to open a cat cafe, a lawyer dreamed of painting, and a kid wished to fly. That sneeze turned into a brainstorming session, and we realized that inspiration is contagious. Sometimes, all it takes is a little nudge or a sneeze to unleash creativity. What would you create if you let your imagination run wild?